Welcome friends. In the last video we have been discussing quadratic equation. We have started quadratic equations. We have seen how to formulate the quadratic equation from a live problem. And we have completed exercise 4.1. So today we will be going to exercise 2, that is dealing with the factorization method to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So what is factorization method? In factorization method, what we are doing actually is, suppose we have a quadratic equation, say 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Suppose this is the quadratic equation for which we have to find the roots. So in the factorization method or splitting the middle term method, what we will be doing, we will be concentrating on the middle term. And we will be trying to split the middle term in such a way that this quadratic equation can be represented as the product of two factors. We will discuss the method how to do it in an easy way. See, we have a here as 2 and b here as minus 5, c as 3. What we will do, we will multiply a and c. So we will get 6 here. And we have the middle term minus 5 here. So these are the two numbers we are interested. First one is AC, then second one is B. Okay. With these two numbers, we will try to do some trick. What we will do, we will find out two numbers in such a way that product of these two numbers is 6 and the sum is minus 5. I will repeat. We will find two numbers such that their product is 6 and sum is minus 5. Yes, these numbers are minus 3 and minus 2. So minus 3 and minus 2, if you are multiplying, you will get 6. If you are adding minus 3 and minus 2, you will get minus 5. But what is the easy way to guess these numbers? See, when the product is a positive number, that means that either both of the numbers should be positive or both the numbers should be negative. It is not possible that one number is positive and the other number is negative. In that case, the product also will be negative. Here we know that the product is positive means either both the numbers should be positive or both the numbers should be negative. So that is the first thing. Second thing, it is understood that the sum of the numbers is negative 5. So sum of the numbers should be negative and both the numbers should be negative means we should have only one option, minus 3 and minus 2 added to minus 5, and product is positive 6. When other situation come, we will try to design the method accordingly. Okay, now that this is fixed, what we will do, 2x square minus 5 we will split as minus 3 and minus 2. So I can write it as minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. What happened, this minus 5 has been split to minus 3 and minus 2. Okay. So from these two, what I can do, I can take 2x outside. So x minus 1. From these two, I can take 3 outside. So minus 3 outside, so that inside the bracket I will get x minus 1. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Equal to 0. Clear? From these two, 2x is taken outside. From these two, minus 3 is taken outside. While we are factorizing this, we should keep in mind that we should have one factor common. Okay. Now from these two terms we can take x minus 1 outside, so that inside the bracket 2x will come, here 3 will come, equal to 0. Now this is of the form a into b equal to 0. You know that when a into b equal to 0, either a should be 0 or b should be 0. It cannot be possible that both the numbers are non-zero and the product is 0. So either x minus 1 should be equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. 2x minus 3 equal to 0 means 2x is equal to 3. That means x equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of this equation. So this is the method of factorization or the method of middle term splitting. Okay. With this background, we are going to exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. So question number 1, sub question 1, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. So what is the product here? A and C product is equal to minus 10. And what is the sum? Sum is equal to minus 3. See, we have to find two numbers in such a way that their product is minus 10 and sum is minus 3. So let us see how we will make it out. Product is a negative number means both should be of opposite number. That means the product of two numbers is negative means both should be of different sign. One should be positive and the other should be negative. And here the sum is minus 3 means the bigger number should be negative. Here one is positive and the other number is negative means here the difference will come. Then only when you add a positive number to negative number, actually what is happening, we are taking the difference and putting the bigger one signs. Okay, so here the product is minus 10 means one number is positive and the other number is negative, and here it is the difference is 3 and the bigger number is negative. So we have that much clues. We have two numbers, product is 10 and the bigger number is negative and the smaller number is 3 less than the bigger one. Okay. Yes, 5 and 2 are the numbers. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So which one should be negative here? Yes. Minus 5 should be negative here. So that minus 5 and minus 2 added, we are getting 3 here. And minus 5 into minus 2, we are getting minus 10 here. Okay. Now we will split the middle term. X square minus 5x plus 2x, so that the net is becoming minus 3 and minus 10 equal to 0. Here we will take x outside, x into x minus 5. Here I can take 2 outside, 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 5 is common in both the terms, which can be taken outside. So x minus 5 into, here x is there, here plus 2 is there, equal to 0. This means either this fellow should be 0 or this fellow should be 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0 means x equal to 5. X plus 2 equal to 0 means x equal minus 2. Hence the roots of this equation are plus 5 and minus 2. Now we will go a little faster. So we are coming to the second question. 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So the product is equal to minus 12 and the sum is equal to 1. Here the product is negative, means both should be of different sign, and here the sum is positive, means the bigger number should be positive and the difference is 1. So we have to find out two numbers such that their product is minus 12 and their difference is 1. So what are the numbers? Yes, 4 and 3, and the bigger one is positive, so it is plus 4 and minus 3. Okay, so the product is minus 12 and the sum is 1. Now we will split our middle term, plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So from this I can take 2x outside, 2x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. That means 2x equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 by 2. X plus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. So we have the roots here, x is equal to minus 2 and 3 by 2. Okay friends, so we have started exercise 4.2. Now the remaining questions we will be doing in the next video. Thank you for watching.